I'm Joanna Gair. I'm the Arts and Public Programs Coordinator for the University of Tasmania at the Cradle Coast campus in Burnie. So the arts are a very important part of STEAM technology. And in looking at a project like the Derby car, we can start to investigate how the arts can add value to our daily lives and to consider what the arts can do for us. There are many different parts of the arts. Visual arts would be a great place to start, so painting, printmaking, sculpture and photography. Performing arts like music, theatre, puppetry. Literature like prose and writing and poetry. Craft like textiles, jewellery, metalwork, leatherwork and timberwork. Indigenous arts like contemporary or traditional cultural practices and ceremonies. Design, so the planning and thinking about how we structure environments and design objects from the perspective of the user. So as you can see from this list, the arts cover a lot of ground. The most relevant aspects of the arts in regard to designing your Derby car are design, planning and executing your design to achieve your objectives. So that could be the way the car looks, the way it sounds and the way it feels for the driver. Craft, so when you're looking at trying to create something that's uniquely yours, you may need to employ some of the traditional crafts like timberwork, metalwork, and even colour theory could come into it. The visual arts can be used to enhance the appearance of your vehicle. So whether or not you want to reflect your personality or your team's image, the visual arts are a great way to harness the arts for your project. It's important to remember that the arts are not just about making things look good. They can also be used to help solve problems, like keeping the car close to the road or making the car safer at higher speeds. It's also used to help identify who's racing the car and whose team is involved. The arts can also be used to stir up a feeling or an emotion, or to show your connection to a team or a culture. Well, just think about how cool a race car looks. The colour, the design, the shape, the bright coloured badges. But did you ever stop to think about whether these things changed the way the car performed or made the driver feel? A designer designs the shape of a sports car to respond to the challenging conditions that racing at high speed creates. This is one of the reasons why racing cars are so lightweight. With slick contours, they're low to the ground and they've got pointed nose cones. And sometimes they have rear spoilers to help keep the back of the car on the track. All these problems have been cleverly solved by using steam. In thinking about how you might like to improve or differentiate your Derby car, you could think about things like painting it your favourite colour or adding the logo of your team. Adding a whistle or a light to make it stand out from the crowd. Or you could add some aerodynamic features to change the body and shape of your car, like adding a spoiler to the back of the vehicle to help it stick to the ground when it's going at high speeds. Whichever art form you choose to help with your Derby car, don't forget that the arts are here to help.